From the new animated charts AI extension, one of the most requested feature by Filmora users, the freehand drawing tool, multiple timeline editing, and more. This is Wondershare Filmora 15. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by the pen tool feature. On the drawing tools, you can now see there is a pen tool option. On the preview screen, you can now draw anything, any shape, to any direction, like as you can see right here. And on your right side of your preview screen, you are going to see a lot of parameters to spice things up. But when you scroll a little down here is where things get more interesting. Starting off with the effects. Alright, so you can choose any of these options right here to stylize your drawing the way you want. And just below here are the parameters or the adjustment settings. Now when you move further down here, there is a trim path option, and this actually animates your drawing. Alright, let's say we add a keyframe right here, and then after some frames we adjust this. The whole thing is going to be animated through keyframes. You can also use the path follow to import something that you want to use that path. There are presets here, but you can also import either from the timeline or from your PC. Now let's move on to the multiple timeline editing feature. Alright, so the easiest explanation to this is Filmora made it simple for you to switch between timelines through the existing feature, which is the compound clips. Alright, so let's say you want to edit another sequence still in this project. Just right select one of the files and then use this old method of the compound clips to create a compound clip. But the thing right now is, if you look just below the toolbar, you see this gap that has been created to line up all of your sub timelines, which are in other words compound clips. But hey, this time around it's much more easier to switch around your timelines. Here is where things get more interesting. Under the media, you can use the drop down menu on the import, and here you are going to find this option right here, which is import sub project. And this is going to allow you to import another project from your computer that you can edit at the same time with your current project that you are editing. And now you can just switch to it. To my own opinion, this is very useful. It saves your time of checking which compound clip is where. Right here we got the source and the timeline preview option. Alright, this simply means if you select the source option right here, whatever is selected in the media bin will start previewing. As you can see right here, if you drag off your preview panel like this, and that means you can see both, but of course you can't have them playing at the same time. Maybe there are other features that you were expecting to see in this newest Filmora 15. If you didn't find them by the end of this video, be sure to comment down below which are those features. That way Filmora will add them in the earliest updates of Filmora 15, so there's no need to be worried either the way. Feature number 3 right here is called the animated charts. Now you find this under the effects tab, and then you see this option right here, which is exclusive V15. Here you are going to see a new window popping up. The whole work has been done. Taking for example this second one. On the right side, you can either change it to the light or keep it on the dark theme. And you can actually change every little thing that you are seeing on this chart. And now let's say you want to change the data, you can just go to the data option here, and once you have customized, you can just use this option right here to add it to the timeline. This is the AI extend, which simply means if you have your video in your timeline and it's not long enough as you want it to be, you can just use this feature from the toolbar Like in this case right here, let me say I just want 5 more seconds, alright? And automatically it's going to show you the video extend feature right straight from the stock media. And right here, of course, you can write a prompt. In this case, I just want the car to continue driving. And of course, the camera movement, you can choose whichever you want. Let me try the tilt up. Then go generate. And there you are. All this part has been generated by AI. And that's the video extend for you. Of course, I can be honest enough to say the release of Filmora 14 was kinda massive and a little bit much more impactful than of Filmora 15. But hey, the bottom line is we have more features than we had in Filmora 14 right now. Until I meet you again in the next episode, peace.